Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Make sure that you've already linked a bank account to your Venmo. Only then you'll be able to transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. Otherwise, you need to do it from the first step, that is by linking your bank account. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Venmo account, and once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the trial bar icon located in the top left corner of your screen. And as you tap on the icon, on the other half you'll be able to see the menu page, and on this page you need to tap on transfer balance in the top right corner. And after that, next interface, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and after you're done entering the amount, you can see right at the bottom you have two different options. Now in case if you want to transfer it within an hour or within a couple of minutes, then you need to go on with the instant, and it might charge some fee. So in case if you go on with the second step, that is 1 to 3 business day, which means that the transaction might take a couple of days, and it is also free. So once you're done selecting the mode, tap on transfer, which is right at the bottom. And if you have a multiple bank account linked to your Venmo, then next interface you need to select the bank account where you want to transfer, and after that you'll be notified about the transaction. So that is how you can transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.